Welcome to PayXpert's Tech Talks. Today's topic is the Backoffice and how to create a support ticket. If you ever have questions or need support with the Backoffice or other PayXpert product, our team of specialists is here to help. Many resources are available for users at support.payexpert.com, where you can browse topics and even open a support ticket if you don't find what you are looking for. When you need to report an issue or have questions or concerns answered, create a support ticket. And here is how. Log into central.payexpert.com. Go to support at the bottom of the navigation bar. The support area will open where you can choose from a variety of specialists to suit your needs. Either click on the specialist, Contact Me, fill in the form, and click Create. Or, click New Issue on the left, fill in the form and click Create. Your ticket is automatically registered in our system and our team responds quickly to answer your questions and solve any issues you are running into. Please note that you must be logged into the PayXpert Backoffice at central.payexpert.com to open a support ticket. Everything is tracked in our system. So, you can view your open support tickets on the main Backoffice dashboard, as explained in previous videos. You can also access the support area from the blue View All Issues quick link. Please feel free to email us at support@payexpert.com for further details or if you need help logging into the Backoffice. We would be happy to help. That's all for right now on this topic. Please like this video and subscribe to the PayXpert YouTube channel for more great tutorials.